Guys, I guess saying retirement package is getting old and old. Okay. Over the years that I started this China Motorsport YouTube channel, I have seen many things. Well, not mainly seeing many things as in my work on the general Chinese bike, as in people coming from China riders and commenting on my channel. And they all are related because they have been prepped to comment me in a way that is disrespectful. First, I reply. I'm not gonna say, "Oh, okay, really?" No, I'm not. I don't kiss ass. First, I reply. I expect them to reply back. I always do. Then, and that's the magic thing, I delete the comment because I'm not gonna keep that quarrel over because I'm a professional. I have my tools. I have my shop. My shop doesn't look like a shop. It looks like, like a place to sleep because I also sleep there. But as in having so many tools in the wall, see this desk right here? You won't believe it's never worked this. I built it specifically in a way to have enough space like the last engine job. And all my tools are portable. So the thing I don't do is long work like welding. I always like to drill a hole and make things fit. That's the thing I like to do. So when you guys comment on my channels, be respectful. I don't care where you came from, who sent you, what your intention is. When you think of me when I'm doing something that you can actually learn from me and give me a piece of your mind, I just don't care about you. Hell, I could care less if you like, dislike, comment, even if you don't watch the videos. Fact is, it still doesn't get above 1,000 viewers. Fact is, at the end of the week, I'm still going to get at least 20 more subscribers. That's fact. And that's for all those China rider noobs or squids. All right? So, other than that, let's talk about the pro tip.
Here's what's going on here. This bolt controls the gears, as in if this is loose, your gear is hard, right? This bolt control the bike handle. This one and another one somewhere, and that one, right, these two. If any of these are loose, the bike is vibrating a lot. You watching this? This is the perfect way of clocking a 4-stroke piston. So I got my my piston compressor right here. My piston compressor. I have to determine which is the intake and which is the exhaust. It has to be so subtle, like so. All right. Now we're talking. Now I compress it. Need to use this guy, lube here. Assembly lube. Go around it. Remember, you put the assembly lube half of the piston. To be extremely careful. Like dead center here. This is the exhaust. That's the intake. This is the exhaust. catch your eye, be able to determine this time I use a screwdriver. Might use it again. It's dead center to me. I think it's good. Just like that. See this clip first. When I install it, I put on the side. All right. Intake, exhaust. Now this is perfect. You want it flat from here. So this is the most you get out of it. This one. See what we're doing? You're gonna need to physically bond with it. Without you bonding, this is not gonna happen. So you're gonna need to bond with it. As you bond with it, alright, you can see what's happening more. The extras that nobody tells you about. Easier to remove this. A lot easier. But it is hard to put it on. I need to clean this a bit. Just freshen it up. Yeah. I feel I have to. Feel that I have to. One is okay. This is what I have to clean. Oh yeah. And you got one, and you got two, and you got three. Now, I have seen some idiot that would take their hand and pushes down, and somebody else would put this in there. Why I call these people idiot? Because this spring is so hard. Even if they can do it, like how I've seen idiots, pulling out tires. Even if you can do it, you shouldn't do it because they have tools for that. It's like saying you lifting up a car.
You know, you got a jack tool for lifting up cars. You shouldn't lift a car without a jack. Same thing as this. You shouldn't take out the valve without a compressor tool. So you may fall into that idiot line. I don't know where you fall, but hope you're not one of them. The Lord is my shepherd. This is never that easy. I tell you, maybe I found a new trick to this. But it's never that easy. This one comes first. Put this first, because if you put the washer, it becomes stuck. You can't move it. So you put it first, and you put this here. Put it first. Now you can left now. Right? Study this carefully here. Got springs. Got plates. Alright. You got 6 plates. And you got 7 plate right here. Technically 7 plate. So this counts as 1. So every time I took one out, I have to let it drip. So that's done. This one. All right, you see how the back plate comes forward? That's what you want. You don't want the back plate to not match. See how the back plate come forward? So you don't want the back plate to not match the springs. The torque spec for this is 9.8 Newton meter.